Can we use Spotify songs as ringtone on Android? Hello, everybody. Welcome back. If you guys are wondering we can do that or not, let's just go ahead with the process. For that, let's head over to Spotify first. Open it up, and once you open it up, you should be finding this interface. Now, what you can do is from the given interface, you may look for the song that you would like to add up as a ringtone. You may use the search bar in the bottom, second option, and search for your song that you would like. For example, let's say I would like this song right here. So once you play the song, like selected up the song that you would like to set up as a ringtone, you should be finding different options within the song. So at the very top right corner of your screen, you should be finding a three dot. When you may just go ahead and tap on it first. And once you tap on it, it gives you different options. So we have different options like show Spotify code, share, go to artist option. So if you're wanting to set it as ringtone, unfortunately Spotify does not allow us that. So Spotify songs are DRM protected, so you will need to convert that using different tools, different third-party applications, so which is not apparently suitable. So if you are wanting to use Spotify application itself as to set it up as a ringtone on your device, we cannot do it. But what we can do instead is set it as a sleep timer. So for that, go ahead and tap on the three dot, and from the given options, you may look for sleep timer option, and you may set up the ringtone for your sleep timer instead. So go ahead and look for sleep timer and tap on it. And then we have this option of how much minute would you like it to be set as a ringtone for your sleep timer. So just go ahead and select one, and once that is done, it will be set. So you can follow this method instead. So apparently you cannot set it directly as a ringtone. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.